All right, so here's my soldering style. So take the stay clean, put a healthy dose here. Take your your solder, put a ring around there, push it down, and then all you do is take a torch. I'm sorry if this is gonna stop, but I'm trying to do it while I. All right. Looks like I could use a little bit more right here. There you go. You have a custom soldered fitting. Absolutely perfect. All right, so a little bit of some BKF. You can see the solder fully in the joint there. I'll have to just do a little bit of cleanup. A little bit of cleanup on the rough edges there. Just a quick hit with some BKF to take off any oxidation or discoloration. But that's it. Video of the custom tubing I finished. All silver soldered and hand bent. Drilled out TC fittings, so it's all 1.5" TC fittings with 1/2" piping.